Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Soul with Megha. So first of all, I would like to say sorry since last week there was no video. I was a bit busy with my work and couldn't publish any videos. So today I have come up with a very nice do-it-yourself home decor with a jute bag. We are going to make a lampshade like this, a lovely lampshade. So with zero budget, you really don't have to spend anything with this. I got this bag. You can see this is a written gift from a wedding, and with this bag I have made this lamp. So those who are watching for the first time, I would like to introduce myself as Megha, and in my channel you would see videos like do it yourself home decor, or then you would see recipes and much more. So I really appreciate if you subscribe my channel and do comment in the comment box if any videos, any request you would like me to make. Without further ado, let's start the video. We need marble dust powder 2 tablespoon, jute bag, then we need jute rope, acrylic colors, few brushes, then plier. I have not shown the plier over here, but we need for the aluminum ring, or it's called G wire, which will be used to make the frame of the lampshade. So that is needed, and here is the marble dust powder which is stored in this Bonvita container. So you can use this is colored by my son. This is painted by him in the lockdown to play tic-tac-toe. So I have the opposite side an opportunity to paint this. So I left this blank, and now we'll see that how we need to paint this. Take marble dust powder 2 tablespoon, add fevicol and water, mix it properly. The consistency should be like this as shown in the video. So you can see the consistency. Now this will be the primer or base, you can say, to paint, to drop and paint the jute bag, so that it looks more pleasing. Now you see the consistency here, and I have taken a thick brush to paint this jute bag. So you can paint this way, or you can pour as well, but don't make it too thick, otherwise there'll be the formation of cracks because of the marble dust powder that we have used. So you can just paint it properly, evenly. The surface should be even. Now what this does, this primer, is that the holes in the jute bags is covered, so that it's easy for us to paint or draw. So you can draw any pattern whichever you like. Now I'm taking the sandpaper to just scrub on it, so that the surface is smoother and it makes the surface smoother. So I have taken a piece of sandpaper and I am just scrubbing it. So you see the way I'm scrubbing. Just light scrub is enough. You don't have to scrub, because entirely the formation will come out. Now I have drawn some pattern. You can draw any, or you can even trace after while taking the printout. I am like not so good at painting, but yeah. So I have taken this acrylic color and I'm painting this with the blue color. So you can take any color as per your wish, and this is just to make the look beautiful, so that when we lit the lamp it looks like very beautiful. So here I go coloring, and I have completed the painting of this pattern. I have used like shades of blue. You can use any color whichever you like, and yellow. So this is the outcome of the painting which is done on the jute bag. So now we are going to start making the frame. So you see a rectangle kind of shape, the frame that I have made down. So we are going to make 4 like this, so that we fit that in the jute bag. So it will go in the bottom and top part, and then I'm gonna make 2 extra, so it will be 4. And with this 4 rectangle frame, we are gonna join it to fix inside. So with the help of jute rope, I am just first tying a knot and then rotating the jute rope to the frame so that it gives a good finishing, because if you tie with the rope it will not give that finishing. So that's the reason I'm just rotating it. So you see the down part, the way I have rotated, the same rope I'm rotating and giving that finish. So this is now over and ready. The frame, you see, it will look like this, and I'm gonna fix inside that bag. So I fixed it. You can see how beautiful it is looking, and I was actually thinking to take this handle out, but then I thought that, you know, to make the holder, the light holder, to fix inside the it will be helpful. So I'm just securing this again with a jute rope, with the help of jute rope. So we will see like how to do this. So I'm inside, you can see the frame, so I'm using that frame to secure it. So after securing that, it will look like this. So it is looking so beautiful after, you know, the work is finished. So I have just again in circular motion, I have you know, rotated with the frame, so it is secured. The frame is inside and it's now secured, so it doesn't come out, or you know, nothing. It looks lovely. And now in the between, the ring that I have made with the same wire so that it helps the holder to stay back intact. So now I'm using after, you know, locking this, I will use jute rope again to, you know, secure it in between the in the center. So we will see how that is done. So you see, if in the between I have, you know, tied with the jute rope, and now it's in the between I have, you know, tied with the jute rope, and now it's lit up. It's looking so beautiful. And even though if it's not lit up and it's off, that also gives such a good look. So this is such an, you know, you don't have to really spend money to make your home decor beautiful. This is with, you know, less amount of money, you can say, but I have used whatever was in my house, so it doesn't cost, you know, much. So this is how, if you want to buy also jute bag, it will be just 100 rupees or something. So this is so beautiful. Can you see the beauty of it? It's lovely. So it's so easy, you know, it will hardly take, you know, once you paint, once you put the primer on the jute bag, it takes you know, at least 1 to 2 hours to dry. After drying only you have to, you know, draw and paint it. So that is the one thing that you have to keep in mind. And look at this beauty now. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, comment. I would love to read your comments and reply back. Please subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.